Don't you want an otter now?
There's food in there. She's gonna spill.
You're drooling. Look at your lips. I found a playmate for her, guys, but Mom won't have her.
She's like, I need to go somewhere.
She didn't feel that.
Ew. You got it up.
What the hell? Well, for a second I thought she was spitting them out on the floor.
Holy did you ever have an emphasis on the wrong syllable there?
Turn her bowl. Just get through. You're hungry.
I think it's Larry should eat that, but it's sitting on
I
it.
know it's sitting down there. She won't touch it, but put it in a bowl at the table.
Now she's gonna want to sit up here,
I
Mom.
know,
Can I
Mom.
scoop more?
No,
No, good.
she's fine.
But that's your
Do you see that, what are you cutting?
Look at her look for more. Okay, now what? Where's dessert?
Now we're gonna work out.
Oh my god, she's just sitting there.
That's because you're holding her down.
No, I'm not. I'm just holding the headband down.